This is the rudder on the Calendar Islands yawl. It's practically identical on the KDI or the DRL Coster. All of my rudders use this bungee cord, 5/16 bungee cord, for providing tension to swing it down. So right now it's in the down position. Down here at the bottom, the way it's in there is there's a bee hole, what I call a bee hole, and a hog ring making a little monkey fist, if you will, out of the end of the bungee, real tight, and then that's pushed into this hole, which is about 1/2 of an inch, and the hole up through the end grain here is just about 3/8 of an inch, and then it leads up through along the leading edge of the rudder, and it's just hog ringed with a closure with a little thumb cleat ending, and that can be unhooked here so that to relieve some of the tension, but that's enough tension. You can see this is being held down by the tension there. That tension can be increased simply by doing a new hog ring closure and pulling a little tighter, which will need to be done as this boat ages. This is the uphaul made off with a just a simple figure 8 here at the bottom. There's the figure 8 going through. See if we can get that to focus. There we go. All right, and up along to a cleat. And so when we want to lift this rudder, that's going through, so it's acting like a fair lead. And the rudder swings up. It's definitely some force required because we got to go against that bungee tension. This is where it's a little tricky to find the right balance of tensions there. And then when you're ready to go sailing, push off the beach, let go of this line, and that bungee snaps this in the down position, and then you can make this back off until you're ready for it again. So that's the way the rudder works on the KDI, and for most of the boats anyway, that's the way the rudder works. On the KDI and the Calendar, what's unique is this G10 plate that is connecting the blade to the rudder head here. On the Calendar, the tiller is connected this way via these cheeks or these extension pieces that stick through the transom. And then here's the tiller. There's the tiller extension. Okay, and if you want to go sailing with the tiller extension, it comes off here, and then the tension in the bungee here provides a great universal joint here for the tiller. When you're ready to go home, you have to take these bolts out. It's very simple. You just back them out. The nuts are glued in. These are flange nuts, so they're glued into these tiller extensions, so you don't ever lose those. All you got to do is have a tool on hand for undoing these hex bolts. That's particular on the Calendar Islands yawl rudder.